and put them in the vending machine. I said, well, I'll look at some bundles and think about it, you know? Huh? Is it time? Oh, no. No, and I called.
I know.
They already paid, like. Hold on. Hey, you're fine.
Put in the gel right here, but it's a lot of little small hairs. I'm gonna get rid of. There we go. Good. And after a while, you're gonna be like a pro at these peels and dermaplaning. Like, this ain't shit. Like,
I hope so.
Because I've had people come in, they're so scared. Like, and then plus, look, I'm black. You know what I mean? Like, not every. I worked in like spas where you don't see any other Asian people, Indian people, anybody. You know what I mean? You just don't. Because in Northern Virginia, yes, rich people, and it's normally always gonna be just Caucasian people. It ain't gonna be a mixture of anything. It ain't gonna be mixed kid, nothing.
It's not.
Not really. Like, yeah, most of my clients, it's at least 90%, maybe 95%. You rarely see a black person. Yeah, you barely see somebody who's Jamaican or anybody who's Russian or It's just predominantly just one nationality. But then when they get to know me after the second time, like, yeah, it's like nothing. They go to sleep during the trip. I'm like, yeah, it's nothing. And how many black guys you see doing facials anyway? You know what I mean? So I'm like, I don't take it as an offense or whatever. It's just shit. You got a preference. I do too. I love seafood, but I don't buy seafood from every fucking seafood place. Like, I go to where I need to go or like to go. I'm not racist against seafood or nothing or places, but it's just I like what I like. And so some people get, oh, I didn't mean it. Like, defend me. My instructors a long time ago told me you're gonna have problems just because you're a male. Period. And that could be white, black, Indian. It doesn't matter. You're just gonna have some people that don't trust you. Because how many people are in this field? I'm like, yeah, that's true. Or how many men? Not many. And so I'm gonna get the chin, which you're gonna lift up towards the neck as much as you can. Yep, perfect.
They always get like, that's, what do you call them? Like an ingrown hair once in a while. It's usually, when I do get it, it's like under there somewhere. It's so irritating.
To the side. Easy, and they blend in with your skin. So there's people, like, I know you've seen some people like facial hair where it's like kind of weird and crazy. A lot of Indian women get that because their hair grows like no other women on this planet Earth. Like, I don't know why. They say it's something to do with the equator, like they're always in a hot climate, which makes them perspire so much to where the hair.
Yeah, because the hair is there to help you with that.
And they have it bad. I'm like, oh god. I've seen teenagers with just like hairy backs.
Yeah, but you know that the sweat will be, you know, absorbed by that hair.
And then plus they eat a lot of spices, you know. Hispanic people are the same way. Like they eat a lot of spicy food, so they're hairy in certain places. Yeah, that is true. Because they have like hair all on their legs, back. But the spices, you know, because it's always making you detox, always making you sweat. Your body's basically, you know, a flux or some sort of hyper sensitive reaction to everything that you're eating. So if you're eating cumin, turmeric, it's basically flushing out. So you're good. You were easy.
So if we put this,
Wow, look so good fun. So much easier than waxing.
you know,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.